Here's 5 brilliant reasons why our electric underfloor heating cable, ThermoSphere Ultimate, is increasing in popularity with installers. Reason number 1, unlike most electric heating cables, there's no bulky hot and cold joint that needs to be cut into the floor. Just use a simple thumb press and you're done. There's no faffing about. Reason 2, ThermoSphere Ultimate is compatible with all cable-carrying decoupling membranes, so you can use your preferred brand of mat with the very best heating cable. The best of both worlds. Reason number 3, it's the only heating cable to combine twisted twin cable construction with inline joint technology, making it one of the most robust heating cables in the market, which you can totally rely on. Reason number 4, there are 16 different lengths of cable available, which gives you more choice and reduces the need to install multiple cables for large floor areas. Reason number 5, ThermoSphere Ultimate comes with guaranteed reliability, which means that there's little to no chance of the cable failing when it's installed correctly. We're so confident about this that should the underfloor heating system fail in the first 12 months of installation because of a manufacturing fault, we'll not only replace the system, but we'll also replace the floor finish. But remember, this is only available after confirmation of successful warranty registration. If you want to learn more about ThermoSphere Ultimate, call us on 0800 019 5899 or visit thermosphere.com.